to those who prepare for it today. As rightly said by our great leader, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, I am Dr. Kumudni Ahir, Assistant Professor, Chemistry Department. Extend a warm and a hearty welcome to all the faculties who have joined us for FTP on practical aspects of ICT tools and online teaching in current scenario. It gives me immense pleasure to have you join us on this virtual platform organized by IQAC under the banner of KV Society's Science and Commerce College in collaboration with RFI India. We are here to enlighten ourselves on the topic developing e-content by our eminent speaker, Assistant Professor Renuka. I take this honor to introduce our speaker. With a corporate experience of 2 years and 12 years of experience in teaching, ma'am has authored many textbooks on information technology, programming languages, and e-commerce. Also, artificial intelligence, facilitating undergraduate students. Presently, ma'am is working as an assistant professor at Anurag University, Hyderabad. Ma'am has completed her MSc in Computer Science, PGDBM, and then MBB. She is also a gold medalist in MSc and MBA from Osmania University. She is currently pursuing her PhD in HR Analytics. Ma'am is the Vice President for the Telangana chapter of Research Foundation of India. She has many papers and publications to her credit. Ms. Renuka has been honored with the ILDC AMP Women Excellence Award 2019 in the field of academics. And she is also awarded under the category of Women in Academic Leadership for her outstanding achievements in the field of academics as a part of Women in Leadership Conclave 2023 by GNITS. Ma'am has been the resource person for many FDPs and training events all over India. We are very happy to have you with us, ma'am. Over to you.
Good evening, all the participants. Thank you so much for the introduction. So let us begin with the session. Good evening, all the participants. So let us begin with the session. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
So as we all know that we are in the last day of this FDP program. So we are dealing with the topic called as developing e-content today. So before that, I just want all of you to just answer this basic thing. Like, I'll be posting one link in the chat box. So just click on the link. It is pasted in the chat box. Just type what are the different types of e-content which you think are available to engage our students effectively. So kindly click on the link in the chat box. Click on the link in the chat box. This is the same activity what we have done yesterday. So I just want to start the session with an activity. So participants, do click on the link which is pasted in the chat box. Okay, I got 1 participant and 3 responses. So it's a basic simple activity where you need to just type the types of e-content which you know. So you can see on my screen the results will be displayed. So just click on the link which is pasted in the chat box. You can type the e-content types. Pasting the link once again in the chat box. Okay. So you can see on the screen, we got some answers like audio, video, around 9 responses I got it. So Google Slides, traditional office tools, yes, interactive content, G Suite, AI tools, Google Classroom. We all know this. So there are different types of e-content which are available nowadays to engage with our students. So what we'll do is we'll just stop this activity over here and quickly move on to the content. So generally, e-content can be any text. It can be notes in the form of what do you say? It can be any kind of notes in the form of PDF or any textbooks which are available. We can send it. And audio tools means any podcast or any kind of lecture notes or anything which is in the form of audio we can send, or any videos also we can send it, right? And almost all everyone uses presentation, right? And also quizzes, games, all these will come under e-content. So today we'll be learning a few of the tools from each type of content. Okay. So first, we'll see. Okay. So we'll see the basic video tools which are available, through which we can create some basic videos using AI tools again. Okay. But before going into the video content, I would like to show you some tools where we can generate the content. Okay. Then we will be seeing how that content can be converted into a video. So first we'll be seeing the content generation tools. So there are n number of tools. Like yesterday also we have discussed few tools like Perplexity, okay, Tiny Wow, and of course we all use Chat GPT. And yesterday I showed you one more thing called as Quen. So all these are tools which are available. Apart from these, we can use these the extra tools which we are going to learn today are Gravity, right? And certain other tools. So we'll start with Gravity, right? So Gravity, right, is a tool. Again, you just need a basic login to use it. So we'll quickly log into that. And Gravity, right, is a tool which comes up with many content creation tools here. Suppose if you observe here, there are n number of tools which are available. Okay, again, with certain limitations from for free version, but we can use most of the things here under the free version as well. So you can see there are n number of tools which are available under different categories here. Like we can have blog tools, okay, or if you have a YouTube channel, we have YouTube tools where we can generate the thumbnail, we can generate the description, taglines, okay, video script also we can generate it, time stamping, everything we can do it, or shorts and reels also we can create it. So you can see here there are many tools. Again, you can see here that rewriting tools, okay, how we can rewrite the content, that also is available here. Okay, writing assistant, yes, we can have different writing assistant, like we can have a quotes generator or a story maker, letter writer, YouTube video content generation. So all the things are available under writing tools. So similarly, we have advertising tools, coding tools, marketing tools, book writing tools. Suppose if you want to write a book, it will give you some ideas on different types of books and all those stuff here, right? So So as we are educators, we'll be observing what tools are available under educational tools. So see here, as I click the educational tools, I got many things like content simplifier, quiz generator, lesson plan generator. Like yesterday also we have seen the tools related to lesson plan generator. We have seen eduate.ai, right, where we have generated the lesson plan. Also, we can use ChatGPT. Also, we can develop the lesson plan, right? So we have certain things like that. So just we'll see few of the options as a demo purpose here. We'll go with the lesson plan generator. So can anyone specify any particular topic so that we can go ahead and prepare the lesson plan on that particular topic? So anyone can suggest any topic? Okay, big data. Thank you, Ramyama. So first, it will give certain questions where we need to answer the things. Type university. Subject is something related to computer science. So I'll go with the topic, big data. And you can generate some few more settings also, you can do it here. Or else you can go on the create content. So again, you can be very specific over here so that you will get the answer also in a specific way. So I just gave the broad topic of big data because big data itself is a subject. So here it gave me the lesson content. Okay. Again, you can do the editing here itself. Okay, like it gave the learning objectives, lesson content, okay, material needed, everything it gave, activities, what we can do it, okay, assessment methods. So what we can do is, again, I told you, like we can take the idea from here and use our other AI tools to get some interesting quizzes or activities, or we don't know how to explain. Suppose the topic is very complex topic and we want to explain it to the students in an interesting way. So then also we can ask ChatGPT or any other AI tool to generate the activities, how to conduct that, everything it will give you step by step. And any supporting material also it will be able to provide it. Okay, so this is about the option called as lesson plan generator under Gravity, right? Now we'll see one more thing. We'll see quiz generator. Again, what is this quiz about? Say, for example, we'll see if anyone have typed. Again, I'll just write big data. Number of questions it can generate because we are using the free one. It is giving us the option from 1 to 25. Say, for example, I'll give 15 questions. Level, what type of question you want. I'll just go with mix of all question type. I'll select medium as the difficulty level. And I'll click on create content. So you can see it used a mix and match of different types of questions here, like few fill in the blanks, few multiple choice questions, true or false. Okay, it gave me the mix of all the questions. So you can just copy it and paste it and edit it according to your content. Okay, so this is about the particular thing called as quiz generators. Like that, you have different things over here. Certain extra things also, if you are interested in filmmaking, again, you have uh, those kind of things here. Employee handbook generator, all everything you can see there are n number of options present here. Okay. So this is about gravity, right? So I'll just paste tool name. Next we are going to see is Right Sonic. So Right Sonic is again a kind of similar tool which we have just now discussed, that is gravity, right? It is somewhat similar to that. We'll see a few options which are available on this. But basically, it is a search engine optimization tool. But however, we can use it for our writing purpose as well. Content creation also, we can use it. Okay. Now you can see there are different things which are coming here. Again, you can go the creation of a social media blog or a normal blog, emails also. All these things you can do it. Once we'll check the AI article writer option over here. Okay. So it gives you the two options. One is the 10-step article, right? So it will ask you certain questions. You need to answer those prompts. Then it will generate the article for you on a particular topic. Okay. And the other one is the instant article generator. It will take 1 minute of time. Okay. So we'll go with this particular option, first one. So can anyone tell any topic name so that we can generate one article on them? Any topic? Data visualization. I'll go with importance of data visualization as a topic name. Target audience and language, I'll just go with the default one. Next, after selection of the topic, again, I told it will ask certain things. So it asks us how to take the literature, from where it needs to take the literature. So what you can do is we can either go with the AI web search, or if you have certain articles or any links with you, that you can upload it here. But we'll go with this particular thing, AI web search. I'll go with the news article. I'll go with the next one is, just a second. So I'll select these things here. It suggested me few things based on my topic which I have given here. After that, whatever topics or whatever the sources which it gave, we have selected it, right? So after that, it will generate the references, and it will ask you to give the primary keywords and a title also. So these things we need to answer it so that it will generate the article for us. So it takes certain time. I will just okay. Now after that, it gave us the option of choosing the primary keyword. So I'll go with the data and or business analytics. Okay. You can add as many keywords as you want. I'm just selecting few things. Next, title also, it will suggest few titles. Okay. So it suggested few titles for me. Otherwise, if you want, you can add your own title here. But I'll just go with the this one. Next, again, after that, it will ask us to give certain secondary keywords. Okay. I'll just select few keywords, or you can type your own keywords. Now again, you can select the structure or the length of the article. So I'll go with 7 to 2,000 words, or I'll go with the simple one so that it takes less time to generate it. Otherwise, you can select how many words you want like that. And you can create your own writing style. You can set the tone or how you want the point of view. All these things you can set it out. A third person point of view or second person point of view, like that you can set it out. So I'll just go with the options which are there. By default, whatever options are there, I'm just going with those things. Now it starts with the writing of the headings. Outline it has created. It asks certain other prompts like include images. So I'll ask it to include images. How many images? That again. Copyright or non-copyright, you can select it. I'll just go with the default things. Now see, it starts generating the article based on the prompts which we have given to it. Okay. So it takes time. So till that time, I'll show you one more tool. Okay. Like for example, you have something which is handwritten by you in any language. It can be in any language. Here I have taken a screenshot, okay, of the lesson from one textbook. that is which is written in Hindi. Okay. So what we can do is this is a textbook content, but you can also go with the handwritten one as well. So what you can do is you can convert this into it can be in any language. Now here I have taken just for an example Hindi one. So this is a picture. You can see this one is a picture. What I have done is I just uploaded this picture on my Google Drive. So after uploading it in on the Google Drive, what we can do is we can just click on the three dots which are open here and click on open with Google Docs. After taking the picture and uploading it on the Google Drive, then what you can do is you can just open it in the form of the Google Drive. So what Google Docs. Now what it will do is it will convert our handwritten one into the document format. Now again you can use this and you can edit it also. Okay, you can start editing it. So it will give you this as a reference. But the only thing is now I have taken the reference from a textbook. So it gave the correct one. But whenever you're taking a handwritten one, see to that the handwriting is legible, means clear. So this is one tool where you can convert your handwritten documents into a soft copy one. So we'll see whether yes, you can see has been generated. It is still generating it. So you can see the article has been generated with few pictures that we have asked it to take. So it has taken certain images and it start generating the images and the content also by taking the keywords which we have given. Okay, it gives the image references also because we have asked it to take it from the copyrighted one. So it gave us the conclusion. It is generating. Okay. Again, you can observe here. This is the original document with AI content. This is the humanized one because nowadays, whenever we go for plagiarism check, our content will be taught in AI. If you have taken and just copy pasted, so it will come under AI detection. But we can use certain humanizer tools where we can convert it into so that it won't be detected in the plagiarism check, something like that. So here we got it. But anyhow, although AI is giving you the content, it is our job to check it, verify it, and then convert it into our own understanding. Then only we can submit it. Okay. So we can use this particular article, and if you want, you can start editing it, or else if it is okay with you, this article, then you can just download it. It will be downloaded as a Word document, and then you can later edit it as well. So this is one of the tool which is present in your uh, right song. Right. So we'll quickly move on to the next tool. Okay. Next is black box AI, black box AI, zero GPT, Claude. There are other tools. I'm just writing it. Claude AI is very good, but it comes with so many restrictions. It gives better content than ChatGPT. Perplexity dot AI. So these are few generative AI content tools. Okay. What we'll do is we'll just see what does this black box AI do. It is also very much similar to your, but here it got so many other options as well. You can see it is mostly Claude and black box AI can be used for coding purposes. It gives the coding related things very best one. Although you can use it for other purpose also. Like for example, here you see web search. It's a normal one. Okay. App builder, you can build a app related thing. Okay, you can use this one. Deep research is one thing where it will give us the literature review kind of thing. We can go with the deep. So whenever you give the prompt, select the appropriate model here. Then it will generate the content according to that. Otherwise, if you just click on the web search, it will just search the internet and get the content. But you have to be very clear with your prompt so that you can develop the content according to that. Okay, so again, it uses so many GPTs, the models which are there, Chat GPT 4.1, which all of us are using. Okay? A Gemini, Quen, I told you, no, like so many things. It's like a all in one point here. See, all the generative AI tools, thing, and you can ask it to develop it. Suppose, for example, app builder. So you or build a word. It has got certain subscriptions. Okay, so this is about black box AI. Notebook LM is the thing. What this notebook LM will do means, for example, I just want to study for the exam and I want certain topics like what type of questions will come, all those things. So I can go for this notebook LM and I can give ask the AI to give me the notes kind of thing from that particular thing. Say for example, I can drop a file and ask it to generate the notes from that. Okay. Or else I can upload it from the Google Drive or any link if I want, or text, everything is there. So I'll go with the choosing the file and I'll just give it one book. We'll see how it will generate it. I just dropped one notebook, one PDF. Okay. So now it has taken the book, what I have done it. Okay. Now I can ask it to brief the document or generate the FAQs from that, or a study guide kind of thing, or anything if you want, it will generate it from for you. Okay. Say for example, mind map. I want it to create a mind map. So see here. See, it gave us the mind map. Like in that particular, it's a small textbook actually, predictive on predictive analytics. So you have the definition again. From the definition, it gave us the complete mind map. It will not take anything from the web, but it will take only from that textbook, and it will give us the content. Okay. So there are different chapters in that book. According to that, it will give you the content. If you want, you can just download the mind map and paste it somewhere else. So instead of reading, you can use this particular option of using the Note LM, Notebook, yes, Notebook LM by Google. Again, this is from Google. Okay. So for example, I'll just go with the study guide. Like that, see, not only one book, you can paste as many books or as many sources for it, and you can just click on add and add the sources. From all the sources what we have taken, you can generate the guide or whatever notes or anything from mind map or anything from that. So see, it gave me some essay questions, glossary of terms. Okay, like that, it gives certain things. Or else you can customize your options here as well. Like for example, you can add a note or something like that. You can also customize it. Okay. See, you can customize the options here. So this is how your notebook LM will work. So all these are content creation tools. Means after having the content, now you can jump into creation of a video. Okay, again, we for our purpose. So first is ai.invideo.com. Okay, I'll just quickly log in. So I'll just give a topic. You can give a very big prompt as well. So on the topic which we have given, I just gave artificial intelligence. You can be very specific with your topic. Like you can specify how that video should be there on a particular topic, how the tone should be there. Everything you can be very, very specific. Okay. After that, it will just take few seconds of time to analyze that and generate the content for our video based on the particular topic. So we'll wait till it does this analyzing and everything. Till that time, we'll see another one also. Because video, right, it will take certain is preparing. So Steve AI is another tool. Okay, like AI.nvideo.io is one tool. Okay, another tool is Steve.ai. So again here simultaneously, but it will not be confusing because due to less time we can't cover all the tools, right? So I'm doing it simultaneously because it's a video. It will take certain time to convert it. Now you can observe in video dot after giving the topic name, it took some seconds of time to generate the things, analyze the things. So I'll just go with the 1 minute video because 4 minutes will take more time. Audience, I'll just select students. Platform, I'll just go with the YouTube short, or you can do for a LinkedIn one as well, or else you can uh, edit the prompt. I'll just go with the basic one. So it is taking certain time to convert it. That is Steve.ai. So it is doing that one. So in the meanwhile, we'll see this Steve.ai. This is somewhat different from the previous tool AI.nvideo will be generating it. Video category seconds. Again, generate script, it will ask you to take for the subscription. In the meanwhile, we'll check this one. Still, it is generating it. So see here, it generated the script. Suppose if it did not generate the script also, what we can do to generate the script for our video and paste the things here in the scene. Okay, so I'll just go with we'll see how it will do it. See, our video has been converted in this in video AI. We'll see it. So the second step is after giving the topic name, you need to give the scene or the script. After selecting the type of the template. See, again, it is telling video is getting ready. So we'll see the YouTube short we have selected. Let the whole video download it, then we'll see. So you have seen, right, now how it generated the things. But again, you can export it, you can edit it if you want. You don't like certain images or anything you want, you can change it. Okay. Otherwise, you can just directly click on download. But again, it gives certain restrictions on free version because we are using a free version. So it has certain limitations on the free version. So we should check all those things. Download. Okay. Someone raised the hand. Okay. So that was about how the video got converted or the video was generated using in-video AI. So see, once you like that app, like we have seen two apps now, Steve.ai and InVideo.ai. So you can select the app according to your convenience, and then if you really like it, then you can go for the premium version by paying certain things. Because if you are seriously into that YouTube kind of thing or reels or anything, then you can take the subscription and you can go ahead with removing the watermark. So many options will be coming, because if you take the subscription, many options will be coming. So that is about InVideo.ai. Similarly, we got the this one also. We'll see how it comes. So that was about Steve.ai. So these are few apps which are available to create your own video content. Next, we'll be seeing certain presentation tools. Okay, how we can create the presentation automatically using AI, or how we can have the different PowerPoint templates. Okay, because template is the one which makes all of our presentation into a next level. It takes our presentation to a next level. So we can use Canva. Okay, every one of us uses Canva for designing a brochure or posters, all those things, but we can use it to generate our presentations as well. So what maybe most of us are using it. So I'll just go and type presentation. There are so many presentation templates which are available. So I'll just go ahead and take this one. Okay. But to do the presentation in Canva, it will be like a time consuming, because all of us are well versed with PowerPoint editing. But to do in Canva, it might look a bit complex for us. So what we can do is, if you like this presentation, then just click on the customize this template. And then don't do the editing over here, but instead of doing the editing here, because it is somewhat difficult to change the font, all these options, because in PowerPoint we have many other options as well. Here we have certain limitations of the options. What we can do is we can download it as a PowerPoint document and open it in our PowerPoint and then later edit it. That is way simpler than doing the editing in Canva. Okay, because here there are again restrictions on the font. Okay, only few fonts are available. Again, sizes, colors also. So there are certain limitations here, but you can do the same thing very easily because all of us are convenient and happy to use our PowerPoint editor, so that there we can use it. It is getting downloaded. So like that, you can use Canva to download any presentations, okay, any presentation template, whichever is convenient for you, whichever you feel that it is appealing. Because as we all know that in PowerPoint, whatever templates we get are very, very limited. The same regular ones will be getting it. But you can download the templates from these things and you can easily use that and edit it. Like for example, just now we have downloaded one thing from one template. Now you can see. Editing becomes very, very easy for us. So you can do the editing. Okay. So like that, we can use the template. I'll just not save it. Next one, which we are going to see is slide carnival is there and slide go is also there. We'll see one. Slide go is coming up with new options as well, not only the templates. Okay, like just now we have downloaded the templates from Canva. So similarly, we can download few templates from Slide Go as well. Otherwise, you can generate the presentation directly from Slide Go. Okay, or you can use it to generate the lesson plan, or else any ice breaking activities also you can generate it, because certain times maybe we just want to interact. If it is a new class, directly we don't want to jump into the topic discussion. We just want to break the ice by using certain ice breaking activities. So it gives you the various ideas for our ice breaking activities here. So can anyone tell with any topic? Just particular topic. Again, prompt is very important. See, you give the correct prompt, a very elaborate prompt, so that it can generate it. Okay, where's the reference number? So it takes certain time to do that. So in the meanwhile, we'll again see the same. See, this is how it gives. 11 slides it gave. If you want, you can edit it before the presentation is created. You just edit the content according to your wish. You can ask it to regenerate or set the tone. I'll go with the professional one. Images, it is not available. Select the theme. I'll go with this one. Click on generate presentation. So it will take this template as a reference and the topic which we have given and the content also which it has generated. So then it will be starting creating our presentation. So presentation is ready. We'll check it out. See. Okay. So it generated 11 slides on the topic. So this is how you can use Slides Carnival or Slides Go also. There are two different websites, but same thing it does. Even we can use nowadays ChatGPT is also giving us the thing. I gave one prompt, like the same topic. So see, it gave us the slide everything. Okay, so this is how you can use the thing. I'll just ask it to download it as a downloadable PPT. You can ask it to generate the thing in a form of a Word document or PDF also. So see. But it will not apply any color scheme or those things because we have not given it as a prompt. But if you could have given it, it would have done it in a better way. So this is about how we can use ChatGPT for generation generating the AI presenters. PowerPoint templates is done. Presentation paper. So we have seen this tiny wow yesterday. I'll be showing one thing now. Just a second. Okay, so next one is Nearpod. Nearpod is similar to your quizzes and Mentimeter, because here we can develop the activities as well. I'll just log in and we'll do some small activity also here. So with this Nearpod, what you can do is you can create lessons as well as take certain activities also. On the spot also you can create certain activities. Okay, so I'll just show you how I have created one small activity. Mm, okay. I'll post one link in the chat box. So all of you can click the Nearpod link which is pasted in the chat box. Not that link. Wait. Game we will play. Okay. Now whichever link I'm pasting right now, you just copy that. Click on that link just. So the third link you can click it. Third link you can click it. I'm waiting for the participant. Just click on the link. participants, I request you to kindly click on the link. Okay, I got one player. Click on the link which is pasted in the chat box. Okay, I got 2 participants. Thank you. Just click on the link which is pasted in the chat box so that we can just play this game. So I'm starting the game. Now also you can join. Any people if you want to join. Okay, we got 3 participants. Thank you. We are in the 4th game. Okay, so now you can see simple activity which has been created using me. Just close it. And I'll show how to do this one. Just we need to have an account from in the Nearpod. Just click on the create link. Either you can upload the existing lesson with you. It can be a slide. It can be anything. It can be anything. Or else you can create from the scratch. So after you create from the scratch, you can add the content activities here. So if I click on content activities, here you can see there are n number of activities which are available. Not the what do you say, the normal slides or anything, but we can have certain videos incorporated within that. Like yesterday I told you this about this PHET simulation. I'll show you. Or you can take your students on a virtual VR field trip or games, quizzes. Just now we have played one game that is called as time to climb. So like that we can have all the things here in this one. So for each slide you can have certain activities like that, or in between you can have the lessons as well. So like that we can use this Nearpod to create our lessons. And it gives the option that whatever games you have played or whatever activities you have done with your students, everything will be stored in the form of reports. So like just now we have played this game. So I have 5 students were there, and everything, the report will come here. So it can be used for documentation purpose as well. See, it has given me the report of how many students have joined, what was their percentage, everything it has given. So these are PHET simulations. Yesterday, one ma'am has asked. I'm just showing you few. So here it has certain simulation activities which you can apply it to your students. Again, there are so many things are there. Just showing you the very basic thing because I will just select this one. You see how it will work. Okay, now you can see. Suppose if it is a 5 kg, how much the mass, everything adjusts. See, as the mass increases, obviously it will be going down. So like, so you can compare all these things over here. It can be a interaction one. Okay, like that you can use this PHCT simulation to simulate your games or anything. Any simulations you want to show, you can show it to your students. So maths and statistics is also available. Mean, variability, many things are there. You can just explore the things. So that was about all the things. Thank you from my side to all the participants, first of all, and team of RFI.